Assalamu alaikum guys. Today I am on this construction site. Now this is the stage for construction of plinth beam. Okay guys. So here guys you can see steel reinforcement details for plinth beam. Guys you can see this is plinth level, and here guys this is the plinth beam. So here we have the size of the beam is guys 16 inches by 12 inches. 16 by 12 inches the size of the beam. Guys, the depth is okay, the ring depth is, or the stirrup depth is 15 inches and its width is 9 inches. Okay, so on each side we have 3 inches concrete cover. Okay, so guys we have at the bottom two numbers of steel rods. You can see one is this one, this is the second one. At the top we have 3 steel bars, okay, and its dia is 16 millimeter. Okay, for both, for top and also for bottom, the diameter of rod is 16 millimeter. Now guys you can see here, this is the stirrup dia, okay, which is guys 8 millimeter, but less than 8 millimeter. Okay, so now guys here you can see the spacing is 8 inches. Okay, in many videos I have already discussed, and also from IS Indian Standard Code and also from ACI, that L by 4 distance, the spacing between two stirrups or lateral tie should be closely compared to its mid. Okay, but guys you can see here, so this is 9 inches, sometime 10 inches, etc. Look here, they didn't provide properly the spacing. Okay, and the first stirrup should be placed with the distance of 2 inches. Okay, but guys you can see here the spacing is maximum. Now guys here we have also as you can see guys, this is hook. Okay, so the hooks are bent with 90 degrees, so it should not be provided with 90 degree, but it should be provided with 135 degree. Guys you can see, okay, so this is wrong, and it should be minimum 3 inches length. Okay, as you can see here, you can see also guys this is the lapping length. Okay, they provided the lapping length at the mid. Okay, but no problem. Okay, the lapping length should be provided at the mid, but at the top portion, but not at the bottom. Okay, but at the bottom portion the lapping length should not be provided at the end of the support and also at the mid. Okay, but it should be provided with L by 5 distance. L by 5 distance. After L by 4 distance we should provide the lapping length, but not at the mid. But at the top, okay, you can provide at the, because guys at the mid you can provide, but at the top portion, but the formula should not be less than 50D, where D is dia of steel bar. Okay, so guys these are some important points. Let me show you guys here also. You can see guys here they didn't provide the development length. Okay guys, you can see clearly, you cannot see the development length. So the development length is very important to make a good bond between steel and concrete, and the development length should not be less than 12 inches, but try to do it 16 to 18 inches. Okay, keep. So this is I recommend you, you should also provide the development length. Guys you can see they didn't provide the development length. Also guys you cannot see the extra bars. Okay, so on the junction between beam and column you should provide what? Extra bars. Okay, but they didn't provide. Okay guys, you can see clearly here. So here guys there is a difference for the diameter of stirrup. So this is guys 8 millimeter, but when you come here, so this is less than 8 millimeter. Okay, let me focus the camera for you. So guys you can see this is the long section. Okay, you can't see any development length. Hooks are provided in 90 degree, but it should be provided with 135 degree. But at the end of the support, the spacing should not be more than 150 millimeter or 15 centimeter or 6 inches. But you can see guys this is more than 9 inches, but this is in the same place. As you can see clearly. Now guys this is the RCC column. Okay, so here You can see guys clearly everything. Now guys, come here. You can see now they provided laping length here, okay, but this is guys wrong. The laping length should not be provided with L/4 distance. So guys, you can see, so the laping should be start from here, not from here, okay. So therefore be careful. So the laping length should be provided at the bottom, but not with L/4 distance, but after L/4 distance. Means this is the span, okay, from this column to that one, okay. Then it should not be provided at the mid, but after L/4. So length divided by 4. After that length you can provide the laping length. So the laping length is properly okay, the length is sufficient, but its place is wrong, okay. They placed wrong. Guys, you can see here guys, try use 3 steel bars at the bottom and 2 at the top, okay, because we need more steel bars at the bottom, okay, but they provided 3 at the top, okay guys, you can see clearly. Also guys, you can see okay, so they will working on this tomorrow, but there isn't anyone on the side because this is the late time. After 5 p.m. I came here to show you a video of this construction site. Guys, you can see clearly. Okay, here guys, so on this place they should provide extra bars from here, so they should not cut the steel bars on this position, but it should be extend, okay. Okay, here guys, you can't see any development length, okay, so there isn't any other support. So here they should provide the development length, but you cannot see any development length, so therefore it cannot make a good bond between steel and concrete.